Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I want to talk about how you can make calorie counting for yourself very easy using this simple AI workflow. You just simply have to click a picture of what you have eaten and it'll track that into a sheet, suggest you some alternatives, and by the end of the day, it will send you an email which will have a summary of what you have eaten, what will be the total calorie count, and what could be the possible alternatives to what you have eaten. So let's take a quick demo of this workflow. On the right hand side, what you can see is I have my iPhone shortcut app open and I've set up a small automation here as well, wherein you take a picture from the back camera of your phone and you'll be notified that you are sending that data directly to this N8N automation. So once you send that data to N8N automation, webhook will basically capture that data and it will start processing the analysis and append that into a sheet. So let's take a demo of this. I'll click on execute workflow and I'll take a picture of what I'm eating. So as you can see, the first part of the workflow has been complete, wherein the webhook captured the image and the image was sent for analysis, and we are using Gemini for that. And after that, AI agent is responsible for calculating the total number of calories, what could be the possible alternatives, etc. And then we are appending that data into the Google Sheets. So let's also take a quick look at the image. So this was the image that was, sent. And if I see here, I can see trail mix as the food item. I can see the calorie and it has suggested me, we can have a small portion of the trail mix, half of the portion, and fresh fruits could be a better alternative for this, right? So that's the first part of the workflow. And in the second part, what happens is that we have a schedule trigger. So by the end of the day, let's say you end your day at 10 p.m. You can schedule this trigger and then it will get all the data from the sheet and it will generate a summary of, what were the total number of calories you consume, and it will send it directly to your mail. So let me add, some more data. So I've added lots of data with calories and, alternatives, and let's see if it is able to give me the total and some analysis. So I'll trigger this as well. So the second part of the workflow is also complete. So let's check our mailbox. As you can see, I've already received an email which talks about, the total number of calories that were consumed and what is the typical range in which I should be consuming. What was the food that I ate today? Like all these things are highlighted in bold. Along with that, I can also see some smart swaps to consider. So whatever unhealthy choices I made today, like having soda, ice cream, or chips, what could be the possible alternatives to it? And towards the end, you can also see a motivational message for whatever you did today. So that's all about the workflow. I hope you liked it. And if you did, then do let me know in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to share some more interesting workflows with you. Until then, have a great day.